Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to apply wig and makeup in the FaceApp in 2026. Do you want to see how do you look with an elegant wig and makeup? FaceApp makes it easy to try a polished bridal look in just a few seconds. So let's get started, but before we start, here's a quick guide on how to download and install the application FaceApp. You're just gonna head to the Play Store, then you're gonna search for the FaceApp app. Now you're gonna type in FaceApp Editor and you're gonna look for the application developed by FaceApp here, developed by FaceApp Technology Ltd. Make sure to click on install button. Once the installation is complete, you're gonna launch the app and you're gonna be directed to this app dashboard. Now from here, you're gonna upload a clear photo of your face. You can choose whether to capture a new photo by your gallery. Before we do that, you have to grant the FaceApp the permission to access your camera and also your files, your gallery. Then you're gonna upload the photo. For example, I'm gonna choose this one right here. It has to have a face in it, so it can recognize the face. Now after that, you're gonna go to the makeup section here. From this toolbar right here, the bottom toolbar, you're gonna choose the makeup, and here you're gonna find a lot of options. We're gonna find the wing, the eyeliner, the contouring, the blush, the lips, the eyes, the eyelashes, etc. You can scroll through a lot of various makeups here. Now you're gonna look for styles similar to wooden or soft glam makeup. Now from these styles, you're gonna choose the one that is matches your wedding vibe, etc. Now also you got, in order to have all the features in the Face app, you gotta purchase the premium version. Now within makeup should look natural and elegant. Use the Face app to preview your perfect look easily. And if you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.